Are you currently having problems with your DeepSeek that you get this error message that it says something like the server is busy or something similar to this, and you want to be able to fix that? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same issue before, and I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to fix it. So basically what I did firstly was that I actually closed my DeepSeek app, and instead I went into my settings app on my phone. And then as you can see, I'm now taken to this page, which is perfect. So now we're just going to scroll down in here, and then you're going to click where it says general. Now scroll down in here again and click on storage. And as you can see, you should now be taken here, which is perfect. So on this page, you're just going to click on the search symbol in the top right corner. So click on the search symbol, just search for DeepSeek in here and click on the DeepSeek app. Now click on upload app, and once again, click on upload app. And here, as you can see, we're just going to wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here once again. So now just wait for your DeepSeek app to completely update to the absolute latest version, because once again, I did this myself, by the way. I went back into the app and now it was working for me. So just go back and try again, and hopefully now it's also working for you.